What's up guys, it's me Gmagic. So here is the wireless earbuds. I bought it on budget for around 30 US dollar from Amazon. The brand name is MPow or Mopo. I really have zero idea how we should pronounce. We should put a hyper like MPow or MPow Mopo. I'm extremely sorry. Recently I lost my Apple earpods. I'm not in a market to spend like another 200 bucks on the Apple earpods. Due to that, I pick up this budget option. The good thing is that it it have a similar design to Apple earpods, but with a silicone cap for better noise cancelling. Yeah, it seems quite nice. For 30 bucks, what else you can expect? I mean, the good thing is that using the Bluetooth version 5, the range is also good. I mean, everything seems quite good from the box. Let me show you from the side. Yeah, so now let me just open it. Okay, we got a manual. Let's see what's this. Okay, congratulations, you have been chosen a lucky customer to get Amazon gift card. Okay, I don't know how to get this gift card. I will look later. 2-year warranty. Okay, that's good thing. Register. Okay, I'm going to register later. Okay, this thing make me happy when I see a colorful menu or something like colorful rather than black and white. It make me happy. Okay, I mean first impression is very good. It's very good. Okay, yeah, just connect and then press that to connect to Bluetooth. Okay, as you can see, let me just put this one aside. Oh, I mean the first impression seems quite good. Okay, where is the earbuds? Here we go. We got the USB-C cable with the wireless earbuds. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I really like the pill shape. Yeah, it's much better than the Apple earpods charging case. Oh, I mean it seems quite good to be honest with you. USB-C charging. Is there any battery? Okay, like how? For example, like let me just put on a charging C to see what's going on. Okay, it's fully charged. That's good thing. Okay, just take this thing out. Okay, I'm going to connect with my iPhone SE. Okay, let me go to setting, Bluetooth connection. Okay, okay, where's your Bluetooth connection? Not Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Yeah, come on. I did nothing. I just take up from the, yeah. I hope this is very easy to connect. Like literally, I go to Bluetooth. Wow, it's connected. Are you seriously kidding with me? Let me go to YouTube. Yeah, play whatever. Okay, let me play this video. Okay, now jump back to me. I'm going to use for a few days and then going to give my like next part of the review. Now jump to me. As you can see, I'm using this amazing true wireless earbuds from MPow. I'm sorry for the train. Yeah, I mean this is very nice to be honest with you. I mean I know I'm looking like a hero, isn't it? Much better than the Apple earpods. Don't get me wrong. With Apple earpods, the quality will be definitely around 200, 150. Again, depend what amount you're spending. If you're getting with a charging case, you're spending over $200. So the quality of the Apple earpod with a charging case will be definitely $200. This one I can say easily a $100 quality. I'm really very impressed for listening books, listening audiobooks. Personally, right, I'm listening audiobook. Okay, let me just show you. Overall, the quality is quite nice. The good thing is that's very comfortable. The silicone is really very good. I mean, I'm listening this audiobook, Moonless, Moonless Fearless Sky. Amazing audio, especially for listening audiobook. I mean, the bass is not that like super musically, that everything look bum bum bum. Overall, I'm very much impressed. $30, man, only $30. Literally, I bought it from my own money. $30. Okay, where's my? Okay, where I wanna show you where my case. The case is very compact. I just put the case in my jacket. Here we go. As you can see, amazing. I mean, amazing. I look like a hero. I know that I look like a hero. I look like a hero. This is a must buy. Subscribe and buy.